What's up, everybody? Kingsley Breaks back doing another personal box for Joe PIZZLE in the YouTube stream. 2018 Phoenix football. You want to do some more personals with me tomorrow? Bowman's Best just released last Friday. No, it's about a week old now, but Bowman's Best is pretty hot right now. I think I have it for a solid price. 8 boxes. You got 4 autographs per box, which is pretty solid. If any of you guys want to split a box, we can probably do 1 mini box each for, you know, half the price of the box, so we can do it that way if you guys would like. Yes, Baker Mayfield is one we're chasing. Although, you know, out of all these rookie quarterbacks, the one that just continues to win is Lamar Jackson. I know I might do something like that, dude. Or what I'll do is, if we end up selling out that 15-16 the way we did it, what I'll do is I might make it into a break like that, and do like random number box like that, and do it that way. I feel like people might want to do it that way too, but we'll see how tomorrow goes. I had just posted that right before I left, so still have to give it a little bit more time. Why not? Because you want to buy it all out? It's hard to find these boxes. At least sealed cases wise. That way. That way. Alright. Good luck, Joe PIZZLE. Well, you got to 199. Simi Cobbs Jr. And speaking of a quarterback, Lamar Jackson. There you go. 27 of 35. There you go. I get that, dude, but I mean, if you buy multiple spots, I mean, it's not only getting 1 box, but we'll see. If it doesn't go off tomorrow or get close, trimmed down wise, then I can change that to personals for you, for everybody else. Nice Lamar Jackson, though. Sweet pull. Sweet. Hopefully still some more in this case. I believe this case hasn't been the greatest, so Lamar Jackson obviously is a top quarterback, but no Baker Mayfield or Sam Darnold at least pulled, you know, so far in this case. So still can be some more heat. Justin Jackson to 99. Dak Prescott out of 100. Veterans material. Well, I'm not going to turn it into personals tomorrow. I turn it into personals on Monday, dude. It's because I have to leave it up there for a little bit, since I've left other breaks there before for longer. So, I mean, yeah, if anything by then, if it's not moving, then I'll let you know, man. I'll let the first to let you know what I'll do with it. To 149, Cohen. Oh, yeah, that's right, huh? I won't be back till Wednesday either, then. Not until the 2nd. To 199, Larry Fitzgerald. Alshon Jeffrey to 299. In Wentz we trust. 15 of 75. Carson Wentz for the Eagles. Blake Bortles to 199. I'll penny sleeve those right now, Joe, please. Fitzgerald to 199 again. Collect the rainbow. Rashard Matthews to 299. 299 Von Miller. 145 to 299, Drew Brees. Mark Walton. Wow, look at this. Billy Joe Dupree. Retired signatures. To 149. That's pretty cool. Alright, dude, I'll hit you up, man. Alright, well, pretty solid box, I'd have to say. There's a rookie there. Alright, well, here you go. RPA Lamar Jackson, old timer autograph, and a relic of Dak Prescott. And I had a 35 as well, low number. So sweet, man. There you go. And then, of course, you have all these numbered cards that I will top load and all that. Penny sleeve those right now, actually. Appreciate it, Joe. Kings Elite. We'll see ya.